Hey everyone, it's Jeremy Sutton, owner of Servant PT, host of the Servant PT podcast. I help women 50 and over live a life full of health, family, and fun. We're going to talk about headaches today. You got them, I can fix them. So headaches that start in the back of your neck, come up behind you, hurt all around here, just give you tension problems and just feel miserable. Are you waking up with those in the morning? Are you going to bed with those at night? Do you have them when you're watching TV, when you're trying to read, when you're doing your gardening? Whenever it is, you have them, they hurt, they're horrible. Let me give you a little trick to fix them. Take a towel, a little hand towel or a dish towel at home, roll it up, make it be about that big, around 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Put that at the base of your head, right where it's bony, and then right under that is muscle, okay? And then you're going to do a chin tuck. You're going to lay on your back. You're going to do a chin tuck. You're going to tuck your chin in. Make a double chin down here. Hold it 1, 2, 3 seconds and relax. Do that about 10 times. That should take your headache. If your headache's at a 10 out of 10, that should be able to start to reduce it to about a 7 out of 10. Try that. Drop in the comments. Let me know if it helps or if it didn't help, and I'll give you some more advice. Thanks, guys.